face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see why.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. By the title, you already know. I'm finna show y'all how I revamp my quick weave, okay? I'm finna show y'all how I went from to this, okay? To this. Like, yeah. Yeah, I did that. Let me not yap too much. Let me show y'all exactly what I did to achieve this look, okay? Alright, let's get right to the video. Oh my gosh. As y'all can see.
Who the fuck did your hair?
What?
Nah, I'm on the phone.
It's ready to come out, but I need this to last another week. I'm not gonna lie. I'm finna show y'all what I use. So I just discovered dry shampoo. This the kind that I have. Okay, do y'all see? This is what I have. Alright. And I'm going to spray this on my hair, and it's supposed to get the oiliness out my hair. Make sure y'all shake it up too, because it is seem like it was, you know. I'll brush it out. This is the type of brush I have to comb it out. Oh, why is it all on my... Oh, Lord. All right. trying to leave out. Oh, shit. Make sure y'all use this. I do use this on my edges. I mean, to spray my hair. Not gonna lie. And the edge brush. That's all you need for real. I'm trying to think if I want some edges though. You can use any, well, I don't know. I usually don't use edge control. I usually just use Gossipy. I don't know. I should have used edge control to begin with, for real. Because it's looking like it's doing the job. Better than the Gossipy. For real. That's crazy. I use hair polisher. And a little bit more shine too. I see how it look like I left the salon though. Like, be for real. It look like I just left the salon. Like, this is how you revamp your hair. Like, this is how you do it. Like, yeah. I think this $8. I got this from Target. You can get this from Walmart, Target, And yeah, the grocery store too. I think Kroger got this too. I think. Look, don't quote me on that. I don't really know, but they have shampoo, so they should have dry shampoo. I'm not telling y'all don't wash y'all hair, cause still wash that QUICKWEAVE. Well, I hope I was actually able to help one of y'all, like for real, because I know how it is when it comes down to your hair looking a mess and you want to go out, you want to go with your friends, you feel me, you want to do all of that. So yeah, I hope I was able to help one of y'all for real, because I'm really a girl's, like for real. Like, I want to put the girls on. Okay, I want to put the girls on. And I'm not one of them girls that gatekeep. Okay, so yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.